Hey there, creatives! In this video, I'll walk you through the simple process of canceling your Adobe Creative Cloud Pro and any Adobe program free trial subscription without incurring any fees. Step 1. Access your Adobe account. First, click the link below in the description to access your Adobe account. Sign in with your Adobe ID and password. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account associated with your free trial. Step 2. Manage your plan. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account overview page. From there, click on Manage Plan under the Plans section. Step 3. Cancel your trial. On the Manage Plan page, you'll see your current plan details. Click on the Cancel Plan button. Adobe will ask you to confirm that you want to cancel your trial. Click Continue to proceed. Step 4. Confirm cancellation. Adobe will then ask you why you're canceling. You can choose a reason from the drop-down menu or skip this step if you prefer. Click Continue to finalize the cancellation. Step 5. Review and confirm. Review the cancellation details to ensure everything is correct. If you're satisfied, click Confirm to complete the cancellation process. Important reminder: make sure to cancel your trial before the 7-day period ends to avoid any charges. If you cancel during the trial, you won't be charged, and you'll keep any free assets you received from Adobe Stock during the trial. That's it. You've successfully canceled your Adobe Creative Cloud Pro free trial subscription without incurring any fees. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.